Hear him tell us in a stable. Girl, you better can't cook. Think you that you pay your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book. Cook.
Alright chefs, so now for your herb and garlic butter. Grab yourself a frying pan and add in your 1/4 cup of butter. Let that melt down or simmer down for about, doesn't take long, about 5 to 10 minutes. Then go ahead and add in your ginger, your smashed garlic, your green onions, and your seasoning. And let that simmer down and infuse in for an additional 10 minutes on a low heat. You don't want it medium and you don't want it high, because you don't want your, number one, your butter to burn, or your seasoning or vegetables to burn as well. Alright chefs, so now that your salmon has a beautiful nice char on top, we're gonna go ahead and add in our herb and garlic butter and just top that off on your salmon to give it a nice delicious silky finish. So once that's complete, this is exactly how your salmon should look. Nice and just beautifully charred with your herb and garlic butter on top. And mind you guys, when you do cut into your salmon, it will be nice and moist on the inside with that nice char crisp finish on the top. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please stay tuned for the next video and see you soon. Ciao for now.
Damn, Joe, this food is good. Can I have some more?